Hello everyone, welcome to Valucop YouTube channel. So in this channel we deliver value to you first, and we show you how you can take advantage of different opportunities, how you can make money from crypto, from what you know, and from different aspects of life. So today I want to show you how you can know when a price will go up and a price will go down. So I found out a tool online that can help you actually predict the price movement of cryptocurrencies. I'm going to use this one to show us. This particular website, Nomics.com, discovered the current market situation even before it happened, even while everywhere was looking so green and all that. So let me show you. The name of the website is Nomics.com. So let's start. First of all, I use the actively traded section. For example, we have actively traded, new coins, dead coins, and not priced. And this website gives you 7 days prediction of your coin. If you notice now, look at Bitcoin for example, it's telling you that there are more dip is coming on Bitcoin. This, at least, of course, this is not like 100% financial advice, but so far so good. This website has proven to give a higher percentage accuracy when it comes to predicting the price movement. So how do you take advantage of this thing? For example, now the ones that have the predictions on them, now it's not all of them that have this prediction. Look at what is it's listed here. So this is 7 days price prediction for each cryptocurrency listed, and for each asset, this website shows you the price, and the website believes that the price will be trading at within 7 days, either increase or decrease. Of course, there's a warning that you shouldn't take this prediction as investment advice, but as always, you should make whatever investment you're making or trade with what you can afford to lose, at least money you can risk. There should be an amount of money you should risk. You can try this out, it's up to you. But then, so far so good. Like I said before, it has given most accurate predictions. So now let's look at a few days ago when Bitcoin was, let's look at Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was on at 47k, 46k, it predicted that it would get to 45, and then predicted it to get to 42, and today it's saying it's still going to go down even further to 40,658. That's the minus 6%. Based on they have a particular methodology. So you want to know more about the methodology Nomics is using, you can go to methodology and find out how exactly they made this prediction. So now these are different exchanges where Bitcoin is traded at, from the highest volume, top exchanges from highest volume. Now it's not every coin on in the crypto markets that actually have 7 days prediction, because for this website to make this prediction, it has to be based on different metrics. So not all coins, not all cryptocurrencies have the data that they need or they use to predict the prices of those coin. Now let's look at Cosmos. Cosmos is one coin that has been on green in this past few days. Cosmos has been on green in the middle of this. It's one shiny green in the sea of red. And just like a couple of days ago, I told some people in my community to just come to this website and look at some tokens and pick out the ones that will make over 5% increase. And one of them actually did, and found out that this coin is going to do even much more. Now this is 7 days prediction. It's saying it's still going to increase, and in the past 2 days it has already done like 12%. Like I said earlier, this is not like investment advice, but you can leverage on this to either make profit on your spot coins or make profit on your leverage tokens. If you're someone who trades leverage tokens, now that the market is a sea of red, instead of going to go and lose money on futures or margin, you can take advantage of this and trade leverage tokens instead and book small profits. Remember, the profit you have is yours. The profit you don't, that is still in the market, you lose when the market decides to dip. So always learn to book profits and not just hodl your complete bag. So now let's look at if you have, for example, now if you're using your phone, most likely you won't see the 7-day prediction when you open the browser. So what you should do is, if you're using Chrome browser, you should go by the right hand side of your phone. You go under, you see add to desktop, and you will see the where to change it to desktop view. And when you change the desktop view, you now click add desktop. When you click add desktop, it creates a mobile version of that desktop view and sends it to your phone. And when you open it, you'll be able to see the 7 days prediction of each coin. Now it won't appear like this like on the website. When you open each coin, you would see let's look at another coin. Let's look at, okay, Polygon is saying that Polygon will still even dip a bit further. This is the prediction. Now on your smartphone, how you will see it, you will see this indicator, you see the price, and then you see prediction by the side. So you have to click on the prediction, like just like the way you click on prediction now. This is the prediction. This is how it's appear on your phone. You see price, prediction. Now it's just showing you the chart movement and on and on. This is the expected price. This is the current price. This red line is the current price, and it says it's going to still dip a bit further to 2.00. Now what I would do is that I don't actually target the exact price given. I'll just put it like a bit closer to the price than the exact price, because you know how the market is. Most likely some coins hit a target earlier on some exchanges more than on some exchanges. So do a little bit of plus or minus from the price target that it has given you. So it's very simple. It's very simple. Remember, I said that it's not all cryptocurrencies that have their 7 days prediction on this website, but if you're going to, you can use this to practice and compound your profits. Even when markets are good, you can come here to find out. What is this in the next 7 days. Will the market go down? Will the market stay up? And all that. This is a very, very valuable asset for anybody in the crypto market right now. So for me, this website is like literally undervalued because it shows you expectation, like it predicts in 7 days, and most likely they might bring in other bigger time frames in the future. So have you checked it? What do you think about this website? Have you tried it before? Did it work for you? Let's hear from you. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to leave a comment about your experience with the video. Thank you.